To all the graduates of Urdaneta City University, you made it! Woo! This is your moment. Isang malaking congratulations sa inyong lahat. Lahat ng puyat, recitation, defense, group work, ngayon sulit na. Kaya naman palakpakan natin ang Batch 2025. At syempre, para sa mga kapwa ko magulang, mga guro, mga university staff, mga administrators, mga ate, kuya, at lahat ng tumulong sa inyong paglalakbay. Congratulations din po sa inyo. Gaya ng sinabi ni Vice Mayor Paraino, you were the support system that helped our students arrive at this milestone. I hope you feel proud and celebrated too. Let me also recognize UCU's commitment to innovation and real-world impact. From rank 281 to number 44, Urdaneta City University's rise in the 2025 World University Rankings for Innovation is nothing short of extraordinary. Palakpakan niyo muli ang inyong mga sarili. Out of thousands of programs in 87 countries, UCU broke into the global top 400 innovative universities at rank 44 worldwide. Rank 44 sa buong mundo. You did that! Woo! In recent years, graduation ceremonies have also taken on an extra special meaning for us. You and your peers came of age in a pandemic. Gaya ng sinabi ni Director Soriano sa kanyang napakagandang convocation statement. Hindi po biro yun. That is resilience. That is what hope means. Kaya talagang saludo ako sa inyo, sa inyong lahat, bawat isa, na puspusang pagsisikap para makapagtapos. I am proud of all of you, of each one of you. Pakisabi din nga sa katabi nyo na I am proud of you. Yan. Sabi sa akin, ang tawag sa inyo ay batch partwat. Ngayon ko lang nalaman ang salitang iyon. Partwat, ang Ilocano word, which means to craft or to create. Ang ganda. This event is proof of that. You are being called to craft a life of meaning. But I still want to ask you, starting today, after you've graduated, anong klaseng buhay ang gusto mong likhain? What is the life you want to create? That's a big question. And it's okay if you don't know the answer yet. Even I didn't know my answer right away. Let me tell you why. When I was young, I dreamed of being a theater actor and singer. So, I trained as a theater actress. I auditioned. Totoo po. Mahilig akong kumanta. Hanapin niyo po sa YouTube. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, I was once part of Repertory Philippines, performing alongside Miss Lea Salonga, Monique Wilson, Menchu and Raymond Lauchenko, and many others. Being a performer was supposed to be the plan. But then, one summer, Mommy brought me to a Nuclear Free Philippines Coalition symposium. Something shifted. I was so moved by what I learned there that when junior year came around, I didn't audition for theater anymore and instead formed an organization in high school called the Nuclear Disarmament Group. And slowly, I began to craft a different kind of life. Dito nagsimula ang paglahok ko sa mga isong panlipunan. Gen X ako, pero nung kaedaran niyo ako, damang-dama ko noon na pwede palang magkaroon ng boses ang mga kabataan. So, tinuloy ko lang. In college, I joined the student council and became part of a youth coalition that marched during the People Power Revolution to bring down the martial law dictatorship. Salamat. After graduation, I worked as a community organizer in a farming fishing village in Rizal. I dove deep into social movements and advocacy work. I then became one of the founding members of Akbayan Party, hoping to help create reforms for those most in need. After college, nasubukan ka ring mag-audition sa GMA Network. Yes po, naging bahagi ako ng Kapuso News. Nakita ko sa trabaho ang mga haligi ng industriya ng pamamahayag tulad ni na Mike Enriquez at Mel Chanco at batchmate ko rin sina Vicky Morales at Margo Ortigas. Yung mga taon ko na yun sa newsroom, hindi lang boses ko ang nahasa, kundi pati prinsipyo at paninindigan. Matapos ang kahaba-habang prosesyon na yon, dahil sa walang tigil na paglikha at pakikilahok sa buhay, saka pa lang ako pumasok sa politika. Saka pa lang ako naging akbayan repri sa Ontiveros sa House of Representatives. After that term at the House, my party encouraged me to run for the Senate. I lost. So I tried again. And I lost again. Akala ko talaga, katapusan na ng kwento ko sa politika. But one party mate, then my campaign manager, and now my chief of staff, agreed with me that there was still a chance. Siya ang konsentidor. Ang sabi niya, sige, isa pa, let's try one last time. So I did. And now I stand before you as your senator na sumakses 2 times. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I share this story with you to remind you, crafting or creating a life is never linear. Some of you might already have a clear plan. Others, no clue at all. But you can always begin again. Create and recreate your life over and over again. Because this graduation is not only meant to be a ticket to a job. Yung diploma ninyo ay hindi lang para sa job fair. The training you received in university is for the real world, a world that will test your grit, your heart, and your honor. From rank 281 to world rank 44, ang pag-angat ng Urdaneta City University sa World University Rankings for Innovations 2025 ay hindi basta-basta. World rank 1 sa industrial application, World rank 2 sa SDG-based responses, World rank 4 sa student mobility. That's real-world impact. Patunay ito na ang UCU ay hindi lang nagtuturo, kundi gumagawa ng paraan. Nakikibahagi na kayo sa totoong mundo. So again, I ask, Batch Partuat, what is the life you want to create? Mapapasabak na kasi kayo sa totoong laban. Isang matinding halimbawa, in the real world, mga anak, truth is under attack. May microphone, kahit ang mga fake news peddlers, at mas mabilis nang kumalat ang fake news kaysa sa katotohanan. Kakainis, nakakatakot. Pero hindi kayo natitinag. Dahil alam natin ang totoo. At kayong mga kabataan, ang mga katulad ninyo, kayong marunong mag-fact check. Yes? Marunong ba? Yes. Mga nakakahuli kaagad ng AI. Mga hasa sa pagre-research online. At marunong makipagsagutan sa comment section ng may dangal. I know you won't let lies win. Kaya anumang larangan ang kahahantungan, saan mang landas kayo mapadpad, when you craft your lives, promise me these 3 things. First, craft a life with integrity and honor. When you build your future, build on the truth. That's what makes life truly successful. And in the end, that's what makes our country truly strong. Second, remain open to changes and surprises. Alam nyo, never in my wildest dreams did I think I would be leading Senate investigations. Nor did I think I would be a senator judge for an impeachment trial. And yet, here I am. Third, and this is the most important part, never forget who you are and who you're meant to serve. When you show up, when you defend the truth, when you fight for justice, you're not just showing up for yourselves, you're also serving your fellow Filipinos. Batch Partuat, I have no doubt that you will create meaningful lives, filled with drive and purpose. Huwag kayong bibitaw. You are our best hope. We can't wait to see you in the real world. Muli, congratulations, Urdaneta City University Batch 2025. Mabuhay kayo!